Hello students, this video is regarding solar. As we know, because of our global warming and environmental pollution, the world is looking towards for renewable energy sources. Solar energy is also a renewable energy source and one of the most prominent energy source, which is a renewable, and it has infinite source of energy. And that infinite source is our sun. As we know that sun is a star and its source of energy is its core. We can see here in this diagram, in this picture, that the core of the sun is the major source of energy. This energy is released into space primarily as electromagnetic radiation. We experience these radiation as heat and light. Now we should know how powerful is solar energy. Every hour, enough sunlight energy reaches the earth to meet the world energy demand for a whole year. Here we can see in this map that our major part of any country receives solar radiation. A small part of it is covered with our water bodies, whereas maximum part is covered with our solar energy. So it can be seen through these images that solar energy that reaches the earth that is sufficient uh, to meet the world energy demand for a whole year. South Africa represents the spot of highest solar insolation in the world. South Africa has the perfect climate for solar energy. Uses for solar energy. As we know that solar energy is a renewable form, so we should utilize that solar energy in maximum, and we can utilize it in maximum form. Now we will see the uses for solar energy. Three main uses we have. One of the main use is heating of water, solar thermal power stations, and photovoltaic panels. These three uses are the main use of solar energy. By these three main sources, we can utilize solar energy in various forms. Solar water heating system. That is one of the main use of our solar energy. Indirect system is heat transfer fluid moves heat from solar collector to tank. As we can see in these pictures, the solar water heating system, various solar water heating systems. Here we have our solar panel which is connected to a tank. Through these solar collectors, heat is being absorbed and water is being circulated through these pipes and is being collected over this tank. Now through indirect solar heating solar systems, direct solar system. In direct solar system, heat water directly. Water in direct system circulated in two ways. Active system, that is pump heated water from collector to solar storage tank. Passive system, no pump is required. Thermosiphon works in passive system. Here we have talked about solar collector through which we can collect the solar energy and utilize it in various purposes. One of it is flat panel and evacuated tube type. In solar flat panel, glass covered framework is there. And what happens in a solar flat panel? We have a box That box is provided with a solar collector. These here we can see, in case of a solar water heating system, a tube or a pipe is being provided through which water is being circulated, and these pipes absorb the solar energy which falls upon it. These boxes are covered with a transparent glass cover or transparent top. Cool water is allowed to go through the inlet of this box, and there is an outlet system through which we supply the water which is being heated after absorbing the heat through the solar collector. Now here we will see what are the requirements of a solar flat panel. In a solar flat panel, we have a glass covered framework, okay, that is transparent top. Inside it, there is a series of copper tubes with copper fins attached to it. Here we can see these tubes are copper tubes with copper fins. The entire structure coated in black substance designed to capture the sun rays. The whole of the system is covered with a black paint which absorb the maximum sun rays. Whatever sun rays fall within these boxes heat the water, and when the water circulates through these tubes, it gets heated by absorbing the solar energy which is falling on it. And then after getting heated, it goes through the outlet to the tank through which we can supply the heated water. This video is related to the first volume of solar energy. The remaining part will be in volume 2 and other volumes. Thank you. To answer the quiz that has been given, please watch these videos and answer them. Before answering your questions, you must see these videos. Thank you.